What is it, buddy? What is it? You gonna get him? Huh? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's get him. Hello and welcome to From the Roots Up, where we're building our homestead from the roots up. I'm Lance. Today, I want to introduce you to our guard dog, Zeus. There he comes. Good boy. Come here. Come here. Are you down hanging out with the chickens, huh? You hanging out with the chickens? Yeah. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy? Hey, you got come here. Come here because the camera can't see you. Here, right here. Right here. Zeus, come here. Come here. I know. Good boy. I don't understand. Out here, I'm right in front of you. I just had to scoot you over. Are you good? Yeah, are you good? You're already sitting. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. Did you need a snack this afternoon? Is that yummy? Are you a good boy? Right. Hey, shake. That's not here. Sit up. Shake. Shake. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Smile for the camera. Is part Great Pyrenees, part Kangal, and we got him from some very good friends of ours. He hopefully is not nearly as big as he is supposed to be. Got a picture here. This is about a month ago when he was 5 months old. We dropped him off with his mother and father. The people that we got him from while we were gone for vacation, they took care of Zeus for us for a week. And you can see in this picture how much larger his dad is. I'm hoping he gets that big. I don't know why. I just want a big, huge, big dog. I want him to be able to pull us around on a wagon instead of a horse if we need transportation. No, not really, but I like big dogs. And Zeus is, sometimes we call him our livestock guard dog. We got him with the intention of being a livestock guard dog. However, we don't really have livestock for him to function like that. We have some chickens and ducks, and we're working on some more animals, but I don't have a pasture full of sheep or goats for him to just go kind of become one of and roam with them and take care of them. He's just our general property guard dog. If he's keeping things out of the yard, away from the house, then he's also keeping things away from our animals, and that's good. That's what we're shooting for. He is very much attached to this house, to this property. Matter of fact, my neighbor asked me the other day, how do you keep him in your yard? And I haven't done anything to keep him here. He loves us. He loves being with us. When we go inside the house, he kind of lays by the door and keeps an eye on us. And even if we're gone, he just doesn't go very far. And even now, he's right there by the door. He knows Christy and the girls are inside, and that's kind of where he wants to be. He does go down if we're not around. We find him laying in the shade next to the chicken coop with the animals. He has that instinct to be with his people, and when we're outside, especially if the girls go for a walk, he loves to just hook up and stay with them. He'll go with me when I'm walking around doing stuff. Up to the mailbox, I try to get him not to follow me to the mailbox or to take the trash up to the road, just because I would prefer him understand that the road is kind of off limits, and so I encourage him to stay when I've got to run up there. But the rest of the time, he likes being with us, and I like for him to be with us, and he's doing his job. All right, today is Zeus's 6-month birthday. Not 6 months since we got him, but 6 months since he was actually born. And I want to find out how big he is, how much he weighs. What are your guesses? How much do you think he weighs? Woo! Okay, Taylor says he's big old hoss, 120. I hope he gets that big. I don't think we're there yet. Nah, don't. What do you say? Don't lean against the glass, please. 70 something? I think maybe higher. I think that's probably, I'm gonna go between 60 and 70 is probably about where I think he is, but I hope I'm underbidding. So, okay, here's what I need. I'm just gonna use these bathroom scales. I've tried this before. He doesn't like it, so we have to be fast. Can you read what's on the... That's okay, I only need one of you two. I just need somebody. Because there's a glare and I can't see it, and... No, hush, 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 hush. Nobody needs to know that. Just yes, I can read it. Yes. Okay. So... What is it again? I do need to know the starting weight. That's because I have heavy shoes on. All right, come here, buddy. Come here. Come see me. Zeus, come here. He says, no, I know you ran out of treats. I'm not moving. Come here, buddy. Come here, come here, come here. Come see me. Come see me. No, hey, what do you think is happening? You're okay. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
What did you read, Sean?
All right, get down there and read it. Just tell me. Oh. Oh, thanks, buddy. You did good. I know you don't like that. Another thing that Zeus does when he doesn't like something, like if we gotta take him and put him on the chain or something, which we've only had to do a couple of times, but if we just need him out of the way for a minute, he just goes limp. He goes boneless. He's like, he doesn't fight, but he makes you do absolutely everything. Huh, and you kind of did that when I picked you up. All right, so it was what? 303 minus the first number, 239, right? 239. So 240 would be 60, 61, and then 64 pounds, right? Okay, 64 pounds. Hopefully Taylor's guess is what he ends up being. I don't know. That means he's twice as big as he is now. I don't know if he'll get that big. I hope so. I want a big dog. All right, so 64 pounds at 6 months. He's still a puppy, but he is learning his place. He found his bark, and he does not mind telling strangers, strange dogs, or just bumps he hears in the night what he thinks about it, and that's what we got him for. What is it, buddy? What is it? You gonna get him? Huh? Let's go. Let's go. Come on, let's get him. I don't know what it is. Tell him. Tell him to go home. I don't see anything, buddy. You tell him though. Huh? Smell it? What was it? I should have grabbed a better flashlight. What do you think? Huh? What do you think? Did you get him? Just checking it out. All good? Huh? Is he gone? Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah? Did you do good? You tell him to stay away, huh? I don't know what it was, but you tell him to stay away. Next time I need a flashlight and shoes. Good boy. Good boy. Are you a good boy? Huh? Did you do good? Did you get him? Did you tell him? Did you tell him stay away? Alright. Since Zeus likes to chew on his food bowl, this is how he gets fed in the morning, because I can never find the food bowl that he drags off and chews up. So, good morning, buddy. You ready for breakfast? How's it going? Zeus does like to play, but he plays a very odd game. He loves to chew on things, and he will play with a ball or two. One of them is ours, the other one he found somewhere on the property. We find junk, trash things all the time, and dog toys are one of the things. Where'd that come from? Steal that from the neighbors? You want it? Go get it. I don't recognize that one. I don't know who to give it back to. Good boy. Shake it. Arr. Shake it. Look here. Normally don't play like this, but if you will, go get it. Huh? Go get it. You're right. If you bring it back to me, I'm just going to throw it again. What's the point in that, huh? He's a good boy. Get your ball? Get your ball? Huh? Go get it. Did you get it? It's in your mouth, isn't it? It's so small. Get it? Get your ball. Get it. Zeus, get it. Get your ball. But really the only game that I've gotten him to play with me is this weird little find the rock, Well, it's not really find. He knows where it is, but we call it dig up the rock, I guess. And this is how we play. So Zeus has a game he likes to play. You may notice that it is Friday the 15th. Right there by the porch, there's a rock. And if I put the rock down in the hole, cover it up, tomorrow Zeus will have removed the rock. Alright, it is Saturday the 16th, and as predicted, all right, I put it back. We'll see. Okay, here we are. 6:25 p.m. Saturday, July 16th. He didn't even do it at night. Didn't see him. I never see him. But if this is the game he likes to play, I'll play it with him. It's been a couple of days, but now, Tuesday the 19th, he has dug his rock up again. So, there we go. I know y'all probably think I'm just doing this, but I promise I'm not. Today is the 19th, 7:30 in the evening, and I'm a little lazy. He didn't pull it all the way out that time. A little deeper. Weird dog. Well, this has been our introduction to Zeus. You will be seeing him in a lot of our videos because we plan on having him around for a long time. Click that like button if you enjoy Zeus and his silly dig up the rock game. I'm not sure how long that's going to keep going. If you're not a subscriber, help us out. Click that subscribe button and see some of our other animals that we have around here and projects that we have going on. And thanks for tuning in.